Good morning. It's another hot, beautiful day in America. We're leaving Nashville. Really nice city. Really enjoyed it. Would stick it on a place if I was coming back to America for sure. I'd visit again. But today, I am really excited about. Ever since we left Yosemite, we've been pretty much staying in cities and big towns all the way. So, because we actually have to drive through the Blue Ridge Mountains, what we're going to do, we decided we want to stay a couple of nights around in that national park and around in the Blue Ridge Mountains. It's meant to be stunning. Everyone we bumped in along on this journey across America, whenever we mention Nashville to Asheville, the road, they all are going crazy about how beautiful it is, how we need to spend time out there. We got maybe 3.5 hours to drive in this weltering heat, but we'll bust that out. But yeah, it should be a good day.
Been waiting this night to get a call, hung up on you. I wanna do you everything on me too. I'm stuck on you.
Woo! This is beautiful. Just going across a really big lake. Gotta say, really happy at this point. So many straight roads, never ending, and we're finally where we should be, which is driving down some really beautiful roads in the middle of America. Yep, I think we're gonna have a couple of great days in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Right, just a little update. We have crossed another state line. So we've left Tennessee, and we are now officially in Georgia. We've finally made it onto the little single lane roads. That's going to take us all the way to hopefully the accommodation, I think. So got maybe 45 minutes, but to be honest, I really don't mind driving these roads. This is really good biking. Not many other cars, a little bit of shade with the trees, so not too hot, and it's just really nice, really beautiful.
I wanna do you everything on me too. I'm stuck on you.
And we have reached our destination. This is Blue Ridge, and we are staying at the Modern Inn. Yeah, that's quite sweet. Ooh. Alright, home sweet home. So, we've freshened up, had a shower, just leaving the little motel now, and time to get some food. We've not really eaten all today, and we've got a bit of a hankering for steak. So we're going to drive into the town of Blue Ridge. We'll find a steakhouse and order the biggest thing on the menu, I think. As we're not riding on the highway or really going anywhere, it's only 10 minutes away. It is so nice not to be wearing a jacket, my Kevlar jeans and whatnot. It's just very refreshing. If I could bike like this every day, I'd be a happy guy. Not saying I'm not a happy guy biking, but the amount of sweat during these long, hot, straight highway sessions, and when we get stuck in traffic, yeah, it's nuts. So what we got? Pete's Place? No. No, we just want something in big bold letters saying steakhouse. Picture of a cow outside, that'd be nice as well. I'll just keep driving until we can smell meat. I've got to also say it's super refreshing to not be in a big city anymore. To be in a little town like this, yeah, this is 100% what we wanted and what we were looking for now. Very chilled out, very relaxed already. Nice bike. Actually, no, it's not a nice bike. I think that's a Kawasaki Versus 650. Alright, Circle Family Steakhouse. We said we wanted steak, and when there's a picture of a cow's head, yeah, it's got to be meaty goodness inside. Right here.
How about you, sir?
I'll get number 5, please, medium rare.
Okay.
With fries.
Fries. Salad bar?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Here's your ticket.
Oh, this is different.
How's the chili?
I'm really not happy they brought me a second bowl of chili. And the steak looks edible. Don't come. Well, we're back to the hotel after one of the strangest meals we've had. I'd probably say the worst meal. Very, very strange place. Loving this little town though, really nice, and we got some inside local knowledge about a trail just up here called the Dragon's Tail. It's got hundreds of corners, curves, so we're really excited about doing this tomorrow. Cannot wait. That's it for today.